Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be looking at this PlusAcc battery for the Amazon Echo. This is the Echo 8-inch second generation, and what this device does is it goes under your Echo. It acts as a stand, and it is also a power bank. So if we flip my Echo around here, we can see that my Echo is plugged into it via the cable right here. But if I unplug the power source from the base right there, the Echo is still powered on. So it acts as a power bank and kind of like a battery backup. So like if you're using this for like an alarm or something like that, your power goes out, your Alexa will still stay on for a little while. It's also got a USB-C right there. That is an output. Unfortunately, you can't power this via USB-C, so you do have to use the actual Echo Alexa power adapter right here. So you have to use the one that came with it. You can't power it with USB for whatever reason, but that right there has the little indicator lights on the front right there when I'm just playing music now because it heard me talking. But yeah, it's got the little indicator lights right there and stuff like that. So that's what it looks like. Mine's kind of dusty. I've been using it for quite a while. The battery seems to last a couple hours. I haven't really killed it or anything like that, but I've had it unplugged for a little while, and it seems to last a pretty decent amount of time. So if you want to use this like a Bluetooth speaker, or like I said, like a kind of like a power backup kind of thing, if you're using this as like an alarm, it's good for that as well. So I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.